Hi, what's your name?
My name is Mon.
Hi, Mon. What job does he do?
He's a doctor.
What does he wear?
He wears a white blouse.
He wears.
He wears a white blouse.
Where does he work?
He work at
He works.
he works at the hospital.
What job does she do?
She's a sport coat.
What does she wear?
She wears a blue cap, a white t-shirt, a blue shirt,
We don't say blue shorts because shorts are plural.
a pair of blue shorts,
And
and a pair of white sneakers.
what do you want to do in the future and why?
I want to become a taxi driver because I want to help people. I want to work at the taxi station.
What is she doing?
She's conducting
An experiment.
an experiment.
What's he doing?
He's flying a plane.
What is the UK famous for?
The UK famous for a royal family, old castles, many old castles, and a seaside.
Look at the pictures and tell a short story.
This is a story about two siblings. Siblings. They are a boy and a girl. His name is Hector, and her name is Nina.
Who's picking them up at school?
Their mother picking them up at school. They tell their mom about their last weekend at the park.
When were they at the park?
They were at the steam.
What were there at the park?
They